Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add a product to your Godaddy online store. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to populate your store with products and get them ready for customers. Let's get started. First, go to godaddy.com and sign in to your account. You can log in using your email or sign in with Google if that's more convenient. Once you're logged in, click on My Products from your account menu. This section shows all your Godaddy services, including domains, hosting, and websites. Next, locate Websites plus Marketing and click Manage next to the website connected to your online store. This will open your website management dashboard. From there, navigate to the Commerce or Store section and select Products. This is where all your store items are created and managed. Click Add Product to begin. Start by uploading a product image. Click Add Image and choose a high-quality photo that clearly represents your product. Strong visuals are essential for attracting customers, so choose something sharp and professional. Next, enter the key product details: product name, product type, regular price, sale price if applicable. Make sure all pricing and information are accurate so customers clearly understand what they're purchasing. Scroll down to assign a product category and enter an SKU, stock keeping unit, if needed. This helps with inventory organization and makes store management easier. You'll also need to select the appropriate tax category and confirm whether the product is taxable. Godaddy may offer an AI-generated product description feature. You can use this to quickly create a compelling description, or you can write your own for a more personalized touch. Before saving, review everything carefully. Check your images, pricing, product details, and description. If needed, you can add additional images to give customers more visual context. Once everything looks correct, click Save. And that's it. Your product is now live in your Godaddy store and ready for customers to explore. Keep your store updated with high-quality images, accurate pricing, and strong descriptions to improve conversions and create a better shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!